Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly quick and easy recipes. Ready to make some awesome chocolate brownies? This is going to be fun and easy. We'll have delicious brownies in no time. Let's get started. These brownies are super chocolatey and gooey, just the way I like them. You can even add some nuts if you want. Let's gather our ingredients and get baking. Okay, here's what we need for our brownies. Gather all your ingredients first to make the process smooth and enjoyable. Make sure you have everything ready. This will save you time and ensure you don't miss any crucial steps. 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter softened. Softening the butter helps it blend more easily with the other ingredients. 2 cups of granulated sugar. This will give our brownies that perfect sweetness. And don't forget 4 large eggs. Eggs add richness and help bind everything together. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor to our brownies. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Sifting the flour helps to aerate it, making our brownies light and fluffy. 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. This is what gives our brownies their rich, chocolatey flavor. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. This helps our brownies rise just a bit, giving them a nice texture. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Salt enhances the flavors and balances the sweetness. And 1 cup of chocolate chips. These will melt into gooey pockets of chocolate throughout the brownies. That's it. See? Simple ingredients for a delicious treat. With everything ready, we're all set to start mixing. Now let's move on to the fun part. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and start mixing your ingredients together. This is where the magic happens. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Now, grab a baking pan and grease it up. We don't want our brownies sticking. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. This is where you can use your muscles or, an electric mixer. Section 4. Brownie baking time. Get ready to make the most delicious brownies you've ever tasted. Now beaten the eggs one at a time. Don't rush it. Each egg should be fully incorporated before adding the next. This ensures a smooth and velvety batter. Then stir in the vanilla extract. The vanilla adds a wonderful depth of flavor that complements the rich chocolate. Vanilla makes everything better, right? It's the secret ingredient that takes these brownies to the next level. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. This step is crucial for even distribution of the dry ingredients. This makes sure everything is mixed evenly. No one wants a clump of flour in their brownie. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Don't overmix. Overmixing can make the brownies tough instead of tender. Fold in those delicious chocolate chips. They add a delightful texture and extra bursts of chocolate in every bite. Your batter is now ready to be baked into perfection. Section 5. Brownie. Eating time. Get ready to indulge in some delicious gooey goodness. First, pour the rich chocolatey batter into your prepared baking pan. Make sure to spread it out evenly with a spatula, reaching all the corners. This ensures that every bite is perfectly balanced and baked to perfection. Next, pop the pan into your preheated oven. Set your timer for 25 to 30 minutes. This is the perfect window to achieve that ideal fudgy texture. Keep an eye on it, as ovens can vary. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the brownies. This is a crucial step to ensure they are baked just right. If the toothpick comes out with a few moist crumbs clinging to it, you're good to go. This means your brownies will be perfectly fudgy and not overbaked. Let the brownies cool completely on a wire rack before cutting them into squares. This helps them set and makes cutting easier, or, if you can't wait, sneak a piece while they're still warm. I won't judge. Sometimes the best brownies are the ones eaten straight from the pan. Serve your brownies with a cold glass of milk or a scoop of your favorite ice cream. The combination is simply irresistible and takes your brownie experience to the next level. Finally, let me know how your brownies turn out. Leave a comment or share your experience. Enjoy every bite of your homemade treat.